Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let's write a short story, The Elephant and Ant. There was a proud elephant who troubled small animals. Every day, Elephant went to Ant Hill and sprayed water at the poor ants. One day, ants decided to teach a lesson. Ants went into Elephant's trunk and started biting him. The elephant could only howl in pain. The elephant realized his mistake and apologized to ants. So, what did you learn from the story? Moral of the story is be humble and treat everyone with kindness.